Good morning, children. How are you, children? I hope you are doing well. Today, let us start a new chapter of biology. The name of the chapter is tissue. We know that, children, all living organisms are made up of cells. Now, let us see. In unicellular organisms, a single cell performs all basic functions like intake of food, digestion of food, excretion, respiration process, etc. For example, amoeba. But in multicellular organism, this is not possible because they are made up of millions of cells. Now each function is carried out by a group of cells. For example, in human beings, muscle cells contract and relax to cause movement. Nerve cells carry messages from one part of the body to other parts of the body. Blood flows to transport food, oxygen, hormones, waste material, etc. Now let us see in plants what happens. In plants, vascular tissues are present. Vascular tissues conduct food and water to all parts of the plant body. Multicellular organisms show division of labor. This means a particular function is carried out by a group of cells at a definite place in the body. This group of cells is called tissue. So tissue, a group of cells that are similar in structure and work together to achieve a particular function forms a tissue. Now let us discuss about plant tissues. How are plant tissue, children? They are supportive, provides structural strength, maximum tissues are dead and need less maintenance. Some tissues divide throughout their life. Now let us see meristematic tissue. So in this concept, we will be studying about types of meristematic tissues, the structure of meristematic tissue. We will study their function and we will do a small activity to show the presence of meristematic tissue in animal. Now let us see the next type of tissue. It is known as the permanent tissue. Now there are two types of permanent tissue, simple and complex. Now first let us see the simple permanent tissue. Now there are three types of simple permanent tissue. First one is parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. So in this concept we will be studying the structure, location and function of these tissues. Then the next topic given is epidermis. So we will be studying about epidermal cells of roots, stems and leaves. Here children, we will do one small activity to observe structure of stomata. So children, I will be showing you this activity. You can follow me, watch this activity carefully and you can also try. And we will study the functions of stomata also. Now let us see the complex permanent tissue. So complex permanent tissue, they are of two types, that is xylem and phloem. These cells or tissue, xylem and phloem, are also known as vascular tissue or they are also known as conducting tissue because they conduct food and water in the plants. So in this concept we will be studying their composition, their structure as well as their functions. Now let us see about the next major topic, that is animal tissues. All animal tissues are living tissues, children. Now let us see the types of animal tissues. First type is epithelial tissue, second is connective tissue, third is muscular tissue, fourth one is nervous tissue. So children, in the next lecture, I will be explaining you the structure, location and functions of animal tissues. So children, in this chapter, what we are studying about? Plants and animal tissues. So I hope children, you will enjoy each modules given in this chapter and you will try to understand the concepts given here. So children, study well, be healthy, stay home, stay safe. Thank you children.